Hello.
Hi there.
Guys. Hi, Tara.
This is a new way of learning.
Oh, is it your first Instagram live?
Yeah.
With another person, yes.
Across continent.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, it's so foreign. Like the first time I did Instagram live, it was so like, it was like nothing I ever did before. But I think it's a very interactive way of people being able to learn from each other.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
So you've got your rice in the steamer right now?
Can you see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It took us about 15 minutes to steam. Grainy. This is grainy. I'm trying it grainy for the first time. I've never done. Normally, we do smooth, soft glutinous rice. But I thought some of them like grainy rice.
And she wants.
If it's grainy rice, it has to be like 3/4 cooked. So you can still, if you press the rice, you can still see it will not be pasty. Yeah, you can still see the grain.
So for those of you who are cooking along, just strain the rice and then add the salt and pandan. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah,
Then-
okay, pour the rice.
For the water.
Oh, sorry, pour the water. Okay. I don't know the quantity. According to my auntie, she says that the water level and the rice level has to be the same. And she keeps saying that's the same, yeah. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's okay now. It's more or less good.
Is it
now.
good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
It's good.
shake it a little bit.
Yeah, okay, then steam it. Yeah.
Okay, great.
You can steam it.
Okay.
Yeah. Add 1 pandan leaf in the water itself.
So just put it in.
Yeah, in the water. Yeah.
Okay.
Just put it in
And
water,
then,
yeah. And then now you put in your bowl.
Okay, so I'll just cover it. How long do you cook yours? 15 minutes, you said?
Yeah, mine was 15 minutes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. It's going to show the consistency that we have that you will also get.
So what you have to do is that you use a plastic spatula or a wooden spatula, and then you just
toss.
Yeah, toss the rice so that
lift it up a bit. Yeah,
like that, like sort of loosen the grain.
Okay.
Yeah, because right now it was stuck together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then okay. Some people they put a bit of oil into the grain when it is steaming. The reason they say is that so that the rice don't get stuck together. You can do that, but I don't know. My auntie says you cannot do that. She says going against.
Okay.
So I'm just following what she says because I've not done this before for a long time. I took this up because my girl wanted me to do this, and then I had to go and ask her, and she said, "Oh, you'll do this way," and I okay.
Maybe Tahira, you want to share about the kind of sugars that you guys are using?
Okay, so one of it is a dark gula melaka. My mom says
coconut sugar.
Coconut sugar. The darker it is, the darker the color of the Waaji. And also cane sugar, right?
Yeah.
Cane sugar for the glaze.
Glaze, yeah. Yeah. So shall we put the coconut milk first?
Yeah. So put it in the pot.
Give a shake.
Okay. Like trying to get every single last bit out.
Yeah, use a bit of water onto that container, and then just.
Oh, you add water?
Yeah, just a little bit.
But you don't measure the water, right? Do you?
Just a little bit only, just to get all the milk out.
Okay.
Next, we put salt.
How much salt?
We said about 1 teaspoon, right?
1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon.
There's salt in the rice and there's salt in the caramel?
Yeah.
Okay. 1/4 of a teaspoon?
Teaspoon, yeah.
Or a pinch. Pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf.
You tear it into smaller pieces, like this. You get a wooden spatula with you. Keep a wooden spatula at hand. Yeah.
Okay. So do I turn on the fire now?
Yes, please. And then
High heat?
put in the coconut.
High heat?
Yeah, initially it's high.
Okay. And then put in the sugar now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Then what you can do is that this one has.
And then the other sugar as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Is yours boiling already?
No, not yet.
Okay. And you must keep stirring, is it?
Yeah.
At
I
least for
think
now.
you have added extra water. So maybe
Okay.
the next time round you use lesser water.
Okay. I'll just like
Yeah.
reduce it more.
Yeah. So I think when you were cleaning the cup, you must have added a bit extra water. So you will have to do the stirring a longer time for the
Okay.
caramel.
Oh, but my flame here is very high, so I think it will be quite fast. This stove is quite good. I'm gonna test mine now.
Yeah.
So long actually.
I think mine looks nearly there.
Okay.
So how do you know when it's ready?
So just you drop it and it shouldn't dissolve.
So
the recipe is already up, right? Because
yeah, the recipe is already up. You can find it on the link in the
Yeah.
Singapore Noodles. Oh, that looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So should I add the glutinous rice now?
Can I see the cup again, please?
Yes, you may. So it looks like that.
yeah, like the dollop didn't change.
Didn't change. Yeah. Can you on the fire and just stir a little longer with me?
Okay.
No, it's okay.
Yes, the color is beautiful. Yeah, very nice. I think it's because the gula melaka is very dark color.
Okay. So should I add the rice?
Yeah. So what you do, turn off the fire first,
Mm-hmm.
and then add in the rice, the glutinous rice. In. Okay.
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 How do you?
Yeah. How does
toss
it look? Yeah.
In out.
Yeah. Right. The caramel goes on top. Oh, I think glutinous rice is cooked a bit. Yeah, but it was like, it's okay. It's nice.
Okay.
It's, actually, some people like that this way.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Well done.
Oh my.
And can you see the shininess?
Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this. Do you normally oil it first?
No, it has oil there, the coconut milk.
Okay. But it's quite rich, so I don't think you can eat like a lot at one go.
Yeah, definitely.
So this has to be shared. That's the reason why they make it like for events, like big gatherings, when everybody eats it. And then, yeah. So you can remove the pandan leaf if you want, or you can leave it inside. It doesn't matter. When you put in the rice must be like separated and not stick together.
I want to keep it for longer, like say if I'm not going to eat it all tomorrow, then I put it in the fridge.
Yeah, let it set for a while until the heat is gone, and you can put it in the fridge. You
can put the aluminium foil later.
You know why? The vapors, condensation will set. Just leave it like just a little bit of gap. Yeah. No. Yeah. Don't cover it because what I meant is that it'll condense. Water will it'll become wet. So just slightly just use a pot cover something.
Oh, pot cover. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll just use the wok cover.
Yeah, you can just like
but
half
it looks so good. I'm very, very pleased. I'm so happy.
Oh, thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, thanks so much for teaching me how to make this. I will slice it tomorrow and I'll post a photo or something.
Yes. Okay. The next time round, you put cardamom and dry ginger.
Yeah, I know. That's like a secret tip, right?
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.